If you are broke right now and you don't even have a dollar to your name, don't worry. In today's video, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you how to make at least $100 every single day. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and your massive support. Without wasting more of your time, let's get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Do you know that there are some businesses that don't even require money? That a lot of you might probably think, oh, you need a ton of money to be able to do it. Do you know what you can do? You can actually build a freelance team. You heard me right. Yes. Go ahead and build a freelance team. Now, do you know that you can scale your freelance business by building a team, whether it's writing, design, or even development? You can take on bigger projects by delegating tasks to others. Market your team as a one-stop solution for clients. Guys, I hope something is ringing a bell right now, right? Another way to start making money is by flipping websites. Guys, you can build and sell websites. You can flip websites for profit by building and selling them. And there are platforms like flipper.com. They allow you to list your website for sale, often at a premium. Another way to start making money from today is to sell handmade jewelry. Guys, handmade jewelry has a huge market. Go ahead and create unique pieces, sell them on Etsy at local craft fair, then start to build a loyal customer base. What else can you do? You can create a niche website. Guys, do you know that niche websites focus on a specific topic or audience and can generate income through ads, affiliate links, or digital products? Just pick a topic that you're passionate about. Use SEO strategies to drive traffic. Do you know you can also do online market research and make a ton of money? Companies pay for insights into consumer behavior, conduct market research to participate in paid surveys, earn extra income. And you can join platforms like usertesting.com, respondents.com, and what have you. Besties, you know on this channel, I've got you guys covered. If you're new to this channel, oh yeah, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know, I still have more for you. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, please, I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. Besties, I have been broke before. Yes, I know it sounds hard to believe, but I have been broke before and I never ever want to be in that place again. Such an ugly place you don't want to be in, I tell you. So if you're broke today, like I said, if you don't have a dollar to your name, I've got you. You just need to have the right mindset, believe in yourself, and trust me, you are on your way to making good money. So long as you have a working phone, you have good internet connection, and you probably have a laptop, guess what? You are going to make money this year. Just make sure that you follow this channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. And just so you know, I also take consultations. Yes, if you want to book a consultation with me, go ahead and join my Patreon community. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. So besties, introduce yourselves while I do the same. My name is Miriam and based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make it a day to join your girl. Guys, if you want to level up in your finances this year, this is the right channel for you. And I am here to take all your questions. If you have any question for me, please let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Now, let's get to the rest of the bonus tips that I have for you guys in today's video. First thing I want you guys to do is to develop great work ethics. What are work ethics? These are things that you need to abide by in your own business. Yes, these are things that you know to do it without being told to do it. Now, this is different. This is the difference between an employee mindset and an employer mindset. Yes, as an employer, you know what to do, when to do it. You don't need to be hounded to do it. When you have good work ethics, you know you wake up at this time of the day. You don't say because you're an entrepreneur, you start to sleep, you sleep your life away. You work more hours than the people that are even working for you, especially in the beginning. You don't want to know, you have no idea how much time and effort I put in every day. If I had a staff one time who asked me, how do you do it? I'm like, it's something that I've built over time. So start building your work ethics. I know Rome was not built in a day. You cannot get to the level that I am. I mean, in terms of work ethics in just one day. Because when I tell you how I work, you will marvel and you will be like, soft girl, soft. Yes, beyond the makeup and everything, I grind. You need to have great work ethics. At the same time, please also take care of your health, because I try to put in 2 hours of workout. Yes. One day I'm going to feel myself working. I walk actually, in my local, community. I just take a walk for 2 hours. Yes. In the afternoon. Even in the sun, even if it means, wearing sunscreen and using an umbrella. That's what I'm talking about. Work ethics, no excuses. You do the right thing at the right time without being told, without being hounded. So you are disciplined. It's basically a combination of work ethics, discipline and motivation. You have to be self-motivated. Next thing you need to do is to persevere. Yes, hard times will come. You will feel like quitting. You will feel like going to get a 9 to 5. You feel like stopping, like quitting on yourself. But you know what? Look how far you have come, and you have come so far, you cannot give up on yourself now. And one other thing is, once you have God, yes, once you have God with you, if God is on your side and you pray and you commit everything to Him, look, you can actually put all your eggs in one basket and give that basket to God. Yes, that's exactly how the mind of an entrepreneur thinks. You need to really persevere through tough times. There are times things don't go according to plan. You start to almost doubt yourself. You start to almost question why you even became an entrepreneur. You should have just gone to become an employee where you just wait for your paycheck at the end of the month. But guess what? That life is saturated. I tell you, it is saturated. There is a lot of space at the top. When you look up in the sky, what do you see? Nobody. There's no traffic. There is no traffic. That's exactly how it is to become an entrepreneur. So yes, you have to embrace that resilient spirit. You need to really believe in yourself. You need to be tough. You need to develop a tough skin. Take feedbacks without grudges. Take feedbacks without taking it personal, and it's okay not to be okay. Find a group of entrepreneur friends and mentors. I have a group of friends, I have a group of friends. We come together every fortnight and we brainstorm together. We share ideas. We're like, oh, this thing you did, this strategy is really working for you. We share ideas, and these are ways to actually grow. Spend zero time, not less time. Spend zero time on gossip websites. Yes, except you're getting paid for it. But if you're not getting paid for it, do not waste your valuable time consuming gossip that adds no value to your life. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that yes, you can actually start a business of your dreams and start to cash out from today. Yes. So guys, if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Go ahead and like today's video, subscribe to my channel, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you. Get working. So besties, let me make some money right away.